You are seeing AI everywhere right now, and it seems to be changing every industry overnight. But what does it actually mean for our homes, for the world of interior design? As a designer, I have been exploring this, and I can tell you the future is not about robots choosing your paint colors. It is so much more exciting. Today, I'm sharing the 5 biggest ways AI will change design for the better. Now, I have a unique perspective on this because I have started using AI as a creative partner in my own workflow. Yes, even to help me brainstorm and script videos like this one. At first, I was very skeptical, but it opened my eyes to how this technology can be an incredible tool. So let's get into the exciting stuff. The 5 big changes. Number 1, instant visualization. The first major change in how we come up with ideas. With AI image generator, I can now type a serene, minimalist bedroom with oak furniture and afternoon light and get this stunning photorealistic concept in seconds. Number 2, smarter space planning. Every designer knows that a beautiful room has to be functional. Imagine an AI that can look at your floor plan and generate 20 different layout options. Number 3, the AI as your personal shopper. This one is a game changer. When you see a gorgeous sofa on Pinterest, but it's thousands of dollars, soon AI will be able to scan that image and instantly find you visually similar options. By the way, if you're finding this glimpse into the future of design exciting, take a second to hit that subscribe button below. Number 4, deeper personalization. A great designer's job is to understand a client's taste. AI can analyze a client's entire Pinterest board and identify underlying patterns. Number 5, the creative partner. Finally, this is how I personally see the future of AI. It is not a replacement, it is a collaboration. For me, AI has become an incredible brainstorming partner. Conclusion: the irreplaceable human touch. So will AI take over interior design? Absolutely not. AI can generate an image, but it can't understand the sentimental value of your grandmother's armchair, nor can it feel the calm of the morning light hitting your favorite tea spot. That ability to translate a human soul into a living space belongs to the designer alone. I would love to know your thoughts on this. Are you excited or nervous about the future of AI in design? Let me know in the comments below. If this video opened your eyes to some new possibilities, please give it a like. It makes a huge difference, and be sure to subscribe for more. You can check out my video on 7 clever ways to make any small room feel bigger, or check out my playlist of designer tips right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.